Mukesh Ambani stands as a towering figure in the global business arena, holding the reins of Reliance Industries, the most prominent private sector conglomerate in India. As the firstborn of the iconic Dhirubhai Ambani, Mukesh has been instrumental in propelling Reliance Industries Limited to unparalleled heights. His journey through the competitive landscape, marked by rivals such as the Tatas and Birlas and shadowed by accusations of unfair business practices, showcases his unwavering pursuit of success across various business domains. In this narrative, we explore the life of Mukesh Ambani, a luminary in India's corporate sky. Born on April 19, 1957, to the renowned Dhirubhai Ambani and Kokalaban Ambani, Mukesh was the eldest among his siblings, including his brother Anil Ambani and sisters Deepti Salgaonkar and Meena Kothari. The Ambani family's early years were spent in a humble two-bedroom flat in Bulshwar, Mumbai, until the late 1970s. Mukesh's educational journey began at Hillgrange High School in Mumbai, sharing classrooms with Anand Jain, who would later become a significant ally. This path also intertwined with his brother Anil's. After high school, Mukesh pursued chemical engineering at the Institute of Chemical Technology, Matunga, and briefly attended Stanford University for an MBA. However, the burgeoning prospects of Reliance, the family's burgeoning enterprise, called him back to India, setting the stage for his future endeavors. Upon entering the family business, Mukesh Ambani quickly became a central figure in its expansion and diversification. His strategic vision led Reliance Industries into new and lucrative territories, including petroleum refining, petrochemicals, and gas exploration. He was the architect behind the inception of Reliance Infocom Limited, now known as Reliance Communications Limited. A landmark achievement came in 2010 when he inaugurated the largest grassroots petroleum refinery in Jamnagar, significantly enhancing Reliance Petrochemicals' manufacturing capabilities. Under his guidance, the company also emerged as a dominant force in the retail industry. Mukesh Ambani's journey, however, has not been without its share of storms. His publicized dispute with his brother Anil Ambani, a prominent figure at the helm of Reliance Ada Group, captured widespread media attention. Challenges continued as the NDA government imposed a hefty fine of $579 billion on Reliance Industries Limited for not meeting gas production targets. Amid these trials, Mukesh Ambani also faced accusations of business malpractice. Critics, including Arvind Kejriwal, the founder of the Aam Aadmi Party, leveled charges of undue influence over national governance against him. Despite these allegations, both Mukesh Ambani and Reliance Industries Limited vehemently denied any wrongdoing and took legal steps to address the controversy. Despite facing numerous challenges and criticisms, Mukesh Ambani's resolve never wavered, and his journey has been marked by continuous growth and adaptation. The strategic acquisitions by Reliance Industries Limited, coupled with recognition from prestigious business circles, have solidified Mukesh Ambani's status as India's wealthiest individual. Yet this acclaim has not led to complacency. Testament to his forward-thinking approach is the launch of Reliance Jio Infocom, a venture set to revolutionize the telecom sector with affordable, high-speed 4G services. Ambani's commitment is evident in his promise to invest over 1 lakh crore rupees, aiming for a comprehensive 4G rollout that will encompass nearly 90% of urban areas and over 215,000 villages. This bold strategy comes at a time when the battle for 4G supremacy is fierce, yet Ambani's confidence in Reliance Jio is unwavering. This confidence was not misplaced, as evidenced by the platform gaining 16 million subscribers within its first month, a number that continues to grow steadily. Mukesh Ambani resides in Mumbai with his family in Antilia, a 27-story skyscraper that ranks among the world's most expensive homes, valued at over $1 billion. Ambani's vision and relentless effort have earned him recognition as a quintessential businessman, admired and emulated globally for his exceptional leadership and strategic acumen. We commend Mukesh Ambani for his ambitious drive and his contributions to elevating Reliance Industries to new heights. Yet in the realm of inspirational figures for aspiring entrepreneurs, Ratan Tata stands out as a paragon of success in the business world. If you've been inspired by the remarkable story of Mukesh Ambani and the transformative journey of Reliance Industries, we invite you to engage further with this narrative. Like this video to show your appreciation, share it to spread the word about Mukesh Ambani's unparalleled contributions to the global business landscape, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful stories like this. Your support helps us uncover and share the tales of visionaries who not only shape our economic world, but also inspire countless others to follow in their footsteps. Join us as we continue to explore the lives and legacies of business leaders who redefine what it means to achieve success in the modern age.